Hi guys, I know it's been a long time. If you're new here, my name is Stella Glorious. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now it's 13 or 1 p.m. I'm going for lunch, and since our home is quite far from where I am right now in school, I'll have to go to my friend's place, and yeah, and she's treating me for a lunch in her place. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna be. How do I look like, guys? Yeah. I just came from the market there to buy Githeri because that's what I want to take for lunch. I'm going to make it at my friend's place, and it's been a while since I saw her. Yeah, I'm actually about to get there. Come with me, guys. What are you doing in the bed right now? Uko nasoma? How have you been? So my food is ready and my friend is there, our student of the year. Yeah, so let me indulge and enjoy, guys. Hi, say hi.
Nice day at work.
Thank you. Yeah, so guys, I am full now. I just ate. I'm good now. Yeah, and my friend, after every 2 seconds, she like going to her phone. Guys, she need prayer. But no.
Even when you're using your phone.
Because it's the camera, I have no other option.
Me, I'm reading notes. and I'm creating some content here. I have a journal to read.
Anyway, thank you for the food.
Welcome.
Yeah. I'll see you on my way to school, and I'm late. Like I'm supposed to be back at 2, and it's already 2:10 something. So I better run next time. So guys, I'm back. I'm late. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I'll see you next time. Bye.